fruit.
Hey, Zizi Kid, may I have some fruit?
Sure, here's an extra fork.
Thanks.
Why are you doing that? You're smacking like a cow. Gaga baby, you are irritating my ears. Please stop.
I don't care.
ZZ Dad!
I wonder what is it now? Yes, it's a kid.
Gaga baby is chewing like a cow and it's irritating.